Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set your Samsung Galaxy incoming call ringtone to silent mode with vibration turned on. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on the home screen and then select the setting button and then select sound and vibration. And then you want to go underneath where it says ring volume, drag it all the way to the left, and then you'll see a little vibration icon will appear. And if you scroll down, make sure vibration and haptics is turned on. So make sure vibration is turned on for that. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.